I'm Lori.
I'm Tommy.
And this is Travels with Lori and Tommy.
Today we're going to build some squirrel picnic tables just like everybody else on the internet.
Why are you scooting down so?
Because you can't see me. Now you can't see you because you're short. So yeah, we're going to build some squirrel picnic tables.
Yep, we saw it on Facebook and I thought it was cute. And I've got some thieving squirrels that keep getting into my bird feeder, so I commissioned my contractor here. That's better. I commissioned my contractor here to build me a couple squirrel picnic tables.
Yeah.
So
we built the raised flower bed there. It needs more dirt. And then we have all the little cutoffs that are left over from taking the pallets apart that my daughter was supposed to get a year ago.
But never did. So
we're just going to use these little scraps to build squirrel picnic tables.
And I'm trying to get them to build me a bee box and a bat box.
So we'll see.
We'll see in a few.
Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing yet.
You'll figure it out. I believe in you. Yeah, because you want a little lip between that. Lord. That's a terrible noise. What happened?
Nothing happened. You're trying to eyeball this stuff.
Don't you love it when I make you do these projects?
Yeah. So I took these, and these were 6 inches long, and cut a 31.6 degree on any miter saw. That way you'll have legs like so. Cut 4 of them. For the seat, I cut them 5.5, which was a 1x4. I just ripped it down the middle. And then a 1x4, 5.5 for the top. For the seat support, 11.5 inches long. For the back that you're going to mount it to and screw it to a tree, 10 inches. And then you just have to assemble everything. So I'm using just trim head screws, #1 square tip. I'm gonna put the legs on first. Just lining it up to the outside edge. Try not to jab your drill through your hand.
As you've done before?
Yep. So you got the start of the picnic table.
Yep.
Your next part would just, this part goes in between. Screw it through here. We'll do that next. So the way I did it, because your squirrel carries around a tape measure and he will know if one side's different. So measure from the top of your bench to the bottom, 2 3/4. And then from here to the same spot, 3 inches. That kind of makes it where it looks straight anyway, even though it's really not. Take your screw and just go right through the leg. Just like if you was building a picnic table. Turn it over and just check your measurements, make sure everything's close.
Measure twice, cut once, right?
Yeah, but I'm not cutting. But before you do this, I missed one step. Before you put the actual bench on, go ahead and run your screw up to where your corn's gonna go on it. So I'll take this back off and do that.
What'd you do there?
I marked it where I'd go back to the same spot. I wouldn't have to remeasure. So basically I put it back together just like I had it. I just took the bottom off, put the corn holder, screw it down on there, and it holds the corn on it. Next step is to make the little benches like so.
Cute.
That's basically how I do that.
You need me to set the camera down?
No. It's just lining it up because it's the same width as the top and flush with the back. Take your pliers and just cut these screws off. And then you can be the judge of which side's your prettier side. I think this side is. So,
I don't really think the squirrels care, but...
Of course they do. And this is just going to mount just like that. screw it, I'll screw it down. Right into the bench or the tabletop. So whenever you mount it, just be a screw right through the top. Just screw it to the tree.
Thanks, Tommy.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
I'll come down here and cut some of this back here in just a second.
He's trimming that down. We've checked and made sure there were no nests. We even looked for hummingbird nests.
All right, that's good enough.
Yep. Thank you.
That way we can see our squirrel picnic table.
Thank you very much. Now we gotta get some more corn. Good morning. So we ordered breakfast, got it delivered this morning, and we're gonna do a quick little food review. Steak and cheese biscuit. This is from, I put mustard on it. This is from the Biscuit Barn, which is in our town. Great little locally owned small business. And got the, look at that, loaded grits. Tommy got,
I got the sausage loaded grits, a sausage biscuit, and biscuits and gravy. It looks good.
Yeah, it does. It looks really good.
Good country pepper gravy, and it's got sausage in it too.
Is it better than, you know my gripe about gravy, usually from restaurants, it's doesn't really have any flavor. So
It's got good flavor.
All right, good.
Good. I just don't know if I can eat all this.
You can have it for breakfast or lunch tomorrow. All right, so I'm gonna try mine. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for coming along with us. Hopefully we'll be back to traveling soon, but, you know, we don't know. If you're in the Gainesville, Georgia area, try Biscuit Barn. It is freaking delicious. The prices are great. Delivery's wonderful. As always, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be updated on future videos. Bye-bye.